Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this part, we will learn files. What is actually the files? Files is a collection of related data storage in a particular area on a disk. Here we are using the string. String means what? String means sequence of bytes. Here we are using the input string and output string. Okay? Input string means what? Input string interprets the data. These are the input string. Okay, this input string interprets the data from different devices like a keyboard and mouse and provide the input data to the program. This provides the input file string, provide the input data to the program, and the output string is receive the data from the program. Okay, data from the program and write the data on different devices such as memory or print them on the screen. We are using this for the write the data. Output file stream is for writing the data. Okay. For reading and writing, we are using the input and output stream respectively. We can perform the different operations on a file. There are the number of functions for the reading, writing, closing a file, close all, accept the character from the file, write the character. Okay, the functions like fopen, close all, get see, printf. There are the number of functions for this. Here we will see first this. Okay, we can perform the different operations like open a file with the help of function fopen, close the file with the help of function fclose, read the file. You can use the fread function to read the data from the file. And we are using the fwrite function to write the data inside the file. We can take the end of file by using the function feos, or you can use the flag eos. We can update the file by inserting and deleting the data inside the file. There are the different modes while opening a file. Read mode. This is only for reading. Okay. Then write mode, append mode, R plus mode, reading plus writing, W plus mode, reading plus writing, and A plus mode, reading and appending. What is actually the meaning of this mode? We will see in detail. Let's take the one example and we will see all these modes and this operation in detail with the help of example. Let's see. Here is one example. The program to count number of lines, tabs, blanks, characters inside the file. Okay. So first need to open a file. Okay. So first create the pointer. This fp is the pointer for the file. Here we are using the keyword file and here is pointer fp. Then character ch, number of lines, number of blanks, number of tabs, number of characters initially assigned to 0. fp equals to fopen. Open the file. Which file? This. See, fopen is the syntax to open a file. Specify the file name and the mode in which you want the file. Here I am specifying the file cp1.c read. Okay, R is read mode, only for reading. It will opens the file for the reading, this file. And then fp is a pointer for this file. While 1, because we don't know how many characters inside this file, so we are using the while 1 to execute this condition number of times. Okay, till the condition is true, then till it is executing this loop. Okay, so ch equals to f get c, fp is a pointer, get c is a function of file. Okay, f get c, get character from the file of this location, fp location. So accept this character and assign to ch. If this character equals to end of file, suppose this is UF flag, then break here, means you are at the end of file. If not, if this condition is not true, then number of characters, this accepted character is inside the ch, means the number of characters is plus 2. If this character is a blank, increment the blank. If this accepted character is a new line, then increment the new line. Then if accepted character is a slash t, then here number of tab plus plus. Okay, till the characters are present till the end of your file, count these and print these after these. Here f close fc, file close function. Okay, close your file by using this. Then print your number of character, number of tab, number of blanks, number of lines here. You can print on a single line or you can print in a different landscape. Okay, in this way. Let's compile this program. Click on a compile and compile this program. Click on a run to run this program. Okay, here is number of character, number of blanks, number of tabs, and number of lines is here. Let's see where is this file cp1.c. So click on a file and open this file to check. Here cp1 capital C C1 dot C. Okay, here is your file. Okay, you can choose the more character inside the file. Suppose name equals to I'm using this blank. Okay. Then roll number equals to I'm using the tab and then roll number 78. Save this file by F2. Close this file and again execute this file. Okay, now here, see previous output was number of characters 30, number of blanks 0, number of tabs 2 and number of lines 2. Now new output is number of characters 50, number of blanks 2, number of tabs 3 and number of lines 3. Okay, you can erase this previous program output also. This next output is after updation of file. Okay, suppose you don't want the previous program output, then give the CLR SCR here. Okay, here do the CLR here and you can check once more. Okay, now let's see the second program for file. This program is about copy the content of one file into another file. How to copy the content of one file into other file. Since here is a program file pointer fp1, pointer fp2, character ch. Then here we are using the 2 pointer because here we are handling the 2 files, so 2 pointer. fp1 equals to f open. I will change the name of this file cp1.c in a read mode. Open this file in a read mode because from this file only we are reading the contents and in the next file we are writing the content. Okay, here provide the path of the file. I am doing the only cp1.c. So by default it will store inside the bin folder. Okay, this folder. You can specify the path here. Means C colon Windows and then Turbo C and then bin and where is your folder. You can specify the whole path. If fp1 equals to null, cannot open source file, exit 1. Okay, if not exist, this pointer will not exist, then do the message and exit from this. Then fp2 equals to f open cp2.c in a write mode. Open this file in a writing mode. Then if fp2 equals to null, if this pointer equals to null, we are print the message cannot open source file, f close fp2 and then exit. Okay, similarly. Then while 1 till c, while 1 means infinite number of times. F get c fp1. If this file is exist, then fp1 here. Take the character from fp1, store it in a ch. If this character equals to end of file, break. Else what? Else put this character f put c to write the character inside the file. F put c, the ch into fp2. Where to write the ch? At the location of fp2. So ch equals to f get c fp1. If ch equals to end of file, break. Else write this character, write the ch at location fp2. Then f close fp1, f close fp2. Go to close both files and then get ch. Let's compile this program. Hit F9 and control F9 to run the program. Okay, here is no any output. Okay, so let's check. Okay, the output is blank. Why blank? Because here we are copying the content of one file into other file. So let's check the file cp2.c. The content of this file is copied or not. Let's check it. So go to the file, open the file, which file cp2.c, and open this. See, here is content of CP1 into the CP2. Initially CP2 is blank. Okay. Now here is the content this. Let's change the CP1 file content. Go to the file, open, and right here cp1.c. Open this file and change the content here. C programming workshop. Okay, here is our content. Save this file. Close the file cp1.c. Again execute our program and try to check. See, there is the execution of our program. Okay, now open the file. Go to the file, open, and open file cp2.c to check the output. See, here is our content. C programming workshop. Means the file copied inside this. In this way, you can copy the one file into other file. Now let's see another program for files. Here is a program to accept the data from the keyboard and write them to a file. Okay, here we are accepting the data from the keyboard and writing them to the file. So let's see file pointer fp. Here is your string s of 80. You can do the maximum character here. fp equals to f open. Open this file abc.txt. You can take the any extension to this file, comma, write mode. Open the file, open this file in a write mode because we are writing inside this file. If fp equals to null, then view the error message and exit from this. Printf, enter the few line of text. Here, see, enter the few line of text. While till what? First, okay. First, enter your few line of text. Means the gateways of text. Means suppose you have entered the string C programming workshop. Okay, so inside the gateways, the string C programming workshop. Then calculate the length of this. So strlen of C programming workshop. If this length is greater than the 0, then f put s comma fp. Okay, then if the length greater than 0, then f put s. Put s means put string. Okay, put c means put character. Here write the this string. So s comma fp, and then f put s slash n is the new line to this. Then f close fp and get ch. Close your file and till where this character will be right till the end of the string. So first check this. Here enter the few line of text. So I'm writing C programming workshop for BSc CS student of my college. So let's okay, why I'm giving this character? Okay, here our message is enter few line of text. So sometimes it will read more text. Okay, text. You can do the here message. Okay, right here the message, and then check the file abc.txt file. Open right here abc.txt. Let's check our input inside the file or not. See, here is your input. C programming workshop for BSc student of my college. So let's start workshop in this way. Okay. In this way you can enter the data on a console. You can write this data inside the file by using the file handling. Now see next program. for files about how to read or how to write the data from the file. Okay, how to read and write the data from the file. First program is write data inside the file in a binary mode. Okay, here we are using the fwrite function. Here we are using the one structure. We are writing the structure data inside the file. So first thing, see here file pointer f3. Here we are using this one expression character another equals to 1. Why we are using, see here. Here is the structure implies character name, then age, and then salary. This is our one structure. Now here, element of this structure E, employee structure element is E. Here, open the file fp equals to fopen employee dot dat. Okay, this is your file. You can use any file, but here I am using the database, this dot dat file for storing this data. WB means write in binary. If fp equals to null, error in file opening and exit from this. Otherwise, see, in this while another equals to 1. Initially, we have given this another equals to 1. If the y equals to y, if the condition is true, then enter the name, age, and basic salary of the employee. Okay, here is a slash f. Then enter the name, age, and basic salary of employee. Here is a syntax to write the file. Fwrite address of e, size of e, 1, fp. This is a syntax to write a file in a binary mode. Address of e means the structure element address, the structure address. Okay, size of e means how many bytes required. How many bytes required here? For the name, 40 bytes. For the age, 2 bytes. For the float, 4 bytes. So 40 plus 242 plus 46 bytes memory is required here. Then comma 1 means how many structure you are handling at the same time. You are using only one structure, so 1. Comma fp, this is your pointer. Okay, this is the syntax of fwrite. We are using the same syntax for fread. Here, printf are another record, yes or no. Suppose you want to continue, then the press yes means y. This y will match here. And if the y equals to y, then only you can enter the second record. Otherwise, it will exit from this loop. F plus stdin, because here we are accepting the data of structure. So after one record, give this data to the input string. Then another equals to get che. What is the use of this function get che? It accepts the recently typed character and stored inside the another. Okay. So if you add another record, your answer is yes, then it will accept the yes and store inside this. And this comparison, the comparison of this another is here. If the other character than this y, then it will jump out of the loop and then f close f2 and close the program. Let's check it. See, we have not given the CLRS here, so this is your previous program output. So here to enter the name, age, and basic salary of employee. Suppose name is this, age is this, and basic salary is, suppose I'm giving the basic salary 32000. Okay. Add another record. Suppose you want to continue, then press capital Y, then C. Next record information, name is Umar, age is 32, and salary is 30. Okay, enter. Add another record, yes or no. Suppose I press no, then enter. See, there is your program. Okay, in this way you can exit from the program. So let's check this emp.file. What is the content inside this file? So type here emp.dat and check the file content. See, here is your file content. Okay, first some characters are readable and some are not, because here we are writing the file in a binary format. Okay, we are writing the file in a binary. So here is the information like this number of records and information is here. Close this file. Okay, in this way you can write the data inside the file using the fwrite function. Here we are writing the data in a binary column. Now let's see the program how to read the data from the binary file and display it on a console. Here is your program for this. Here file pointer fp, we are using the same structure and same program like the previous one to read the data, because here we are reading the data from this binary file. Okay, so first do your structure. This is your structure, struct emp, character name, age, load basic, and struct employee e. Okay, fp equals to fop. Open your file in a binary mode. Okay, rb. Read this file in a binary mode. So provide here rb. If fp equals to null, give the error message and exit from this. This is extra statement. You can comment this. You can do the single line comment for this. While while if read means that till the data is exist inside the file. If read operation is successful, then only you can display the data on the console. If read address of e, comma size of e, comma 1, comma f equals to 1 means this function returning the something, then only write the data on a console. So use here printf. We are using the printf to display the data on a console. E.name, E.age, and E.basic salary. And then f plus fp. Okay, this statement will execute. This statement will execute till the this reading operation returns the true. Okay, so print the data of all the records stored inside this file. In this way, you can try the different programs for files. Okay, you can handle the file by using the different file functions. Thank you.